fucker in.
All right, we got a fish on here. Could be, I thought I saw a bill.
I did too.
But it could be a sickle fin.
You got any gloves on board?
I do. Come up to the front of the boat, walk him backwards. Up. You gotta kind of.
Sail or a White Marlin? I think it's a White Marlin. I need gloves.
Good.
I got the wheel.
Easy. Okay. You got this?
Yeah, it's a White Marlin. You go, tough guy. Tough guy, huh? We bringing him aboard for questioning, right?
Yeah, of course.
All right, hang on. Read.
Yeah.
Is it a baby blue marlin?
I don't
Pick the rod up.
Rod up.
Bring
Come
it to
on,
me,
leader
to me,
man.
To me.
It's a baby blue, I think.
Yeah, it looks like.
Come on, under the boat.
Can we take your line in?
Grab him. Go ahead, Bob. You're the man. You fucking grab that guy. Bring him right in.
I got half.
It's a white.
I can get the bill, but I need someone to get the tail. Watch out, it's slipping right off into the loop. Yeah, take the left foot and I'll take the right. Watch your hand, man. Remember, I won't bleed.
Oh, shit.
Settle down, dude. We're gonna get you back.
We'll get you back in. Woo! High hooks, first white marlin.
Wow.
Man,
Oh, settle
what's he
down.
got? A little remora.
Oh, shit, he's got a remora.
Oh, fuck.
Calm down, buddy. Calm down.
Go ahead. It's all right. Just grab the.
Just put a boot on him. I got pliers right here, but there you go. Easy, buddy. Easy.
Don't yell at him. Just get the hook out of him. How many of those little remoras are on it?
I don't know, but you gotta. I gotta turn him and I can't get it. He's trying
Don't
to,
yell at him.
he's trying to fucking stab me.
Of course he is.
Okay. Hook's out, I got the bill.
Well, it's not the cleanest release, but
Sure ain't.
you know what? Hold on, we gotta.
Well,
Yeah. Go ahead, you gotta swim him. Well, oh yeah, there he goes.